Messages from the Soul is a comprehensive guide to the three main principles of holistic healing, which are holism, the vital force, and the principle of self-evolution, and ways to apply these principles in everyday life. I wrote Messages from the Soul to provide a very clear, concise, and easy-to-apply resource for those familiar and for those new to holistic theory and healing methods.
I have to admit that I was highly skeptical of the powers of holistic healing, but the author of this book has put together such concise and accurate information that after having read it, I find that my skills in coping with the issues today have improved. It's been easier for me, and I'm sure it'll be easier for you.
Messages from the Soul introduces a new way of addressing the language of symptoms, demonstrating that health conditions can be life-changing opportunities for profound personal transformation.
This book was an enjoyment for me. Joan Jacobs took me by the hand, introduced me to this concept of holistic healing. It's been very helpful to me, understanding my issues, my ailments, and strongly recommend it to anyone.
I was sure it was going to be another one of those self-help books that I've read so many of. It surprised me that it really was different.
What I loved about it was that it discusses big concepts in simple language, that even people like me with no background in spirituality or healing can benefit from it.
I included simple exercises and a self-reflection questionnaire so you can start applying the principles in your life.
I believe that more people would enjoy a healthier lifestyle if they incorporated these principles into their daily lives.
Messages from the Soul gave me a totally new perspective, not only on health but on life. It helped me understand what was going on in my life and how to make healthier choices, and I'm grateful for that.